getting more storms. Look at how beautiful that cumulonimbus cloud is. Yo, look at that. Yeah, there's storms building up all over the place. Look at those sun rays over there, this huge cloud. Yeah, hopefully it rains. I can't tell, but that looks like rain that's about to just dump on top right there. I just can't tell. It looks a little like rain. Look at that. Yep, that's rain. That is definitely rain. Look at that. Sky is being misted. See how it's foggy? Yeah, we're gonna get dumped on here. Let me get back to the safe zone. It's right there. There's the rain right there. I can see it on radar. It's going to be, look at that. There's the rain, I see it. It's going to be sitting on top of us for a while. Oh, the first drops of rain. I don't know if you can hear it. I know you see them. I was right, that was rain. And you want to know proof? There is sun rays coming through that rain right now. Yo, it's just all of a sudden, oh no. All of a sudden it's just picking up like crazy. Yo. Look at it. You can see the rain making everything foggy over there. Oh no. See, now it's lightly raining. I can still hear where the heavy rain is in the woods. But there it is. You can see how the sky is like more fogged out. Where the rain is the heaviest. Especially over there. Look at how foggy that sky is. That's just crazy. Alright, there's more of the storm that's supposed to hit. I swear, if that's rain right there, like up there, that's gonna ruin me being down here. Wait, look. It's beautiful. But yeah, this whole storm cell could drop a bunch of rain like that. And I don't want to be down here when it does. So yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. This thing just keeps getting stronger. There's another whole patch of rain right here that's starting to dump right now. Look at that whole new rain shaft just forming right there. An entire rain shaft just getting emptied from that cloud. First lightning strike in this storm, not even 5 seconds after I stopped recording. But yeah, that just proves it's still growing. Yeah, we're gonna get hit real heavy. Look at that. Look at that huge rain shaft. It's all right there, the rain shaft. It's overhead. It should start dumping very soon. And look over there, wait. I don't know what that is. Yeah. It's actually starting to get windy. I don't know if I should be concerned. Look at that tree over there. I know you see it. It's the smaller one. It's swaying just ever so slightly. And that's not a good sign. That's enough wind to make a tree fall. Okay, I'm joking. Here it is. Look at that. There's trees. That's not good. They're starting to get hit by the wind. Look at that. Oh no. I hear the rain wall. It's getting louder. It's getting louder, guys. This thing is not showing any signs of leaving. It's just not moving at all, basically. What's that? Oh, it's starting to get heavy now. Like, this is where the real rain starts to hit. Yo, what? Look over there at that storm. We just got the gray one right there. We don't know what that one is. But over here, look at that one. That one's headed towards us. It's trying to push through the anvil of this other storm though. And you can see it perfectly. I can see the other side of the storm in the distance. That's the one that's gonna be here soon though. And then this one over here is rumbling too. Look at that. Beautiful cloud. And then over there, there's more. Right there. Yeah, look at all that anvil right there. Look at those cumulonimbi. Oh, like, there's just storms surrounding us with hail and everything. We're in like the eye of the storm, or the eye of the hurricane, but it's not a hurricane, it's just scattered storms. But yeah, every single direction I'm hearing thunder, and it's also getting windy over there. Yeah, but that's gonna, I'll update if something interesting happens. That buildup right there, that's gonna be serious. Cause there's hail in that one. Like, it's just getting worse and worse. Well, like, the amount of storms. Like, look over there. There's thunder coming from all four directions. Like, everywhere is just storms. And it's constant as well. I like that it's constant. So look at that. The wind's here. Look at that. Oh no. Well, that was up there. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Bro. There's just so many storms. What is that? I don't know what that is, but oh, okay, yo. I don't think it's safe. Yo, I just saw a bolt. Yo, okay. That came out of the storm and it was in like the sky. Oh, I don't like this at all. This is dangerous. There's just thunder everywhere and lightning. So I'm probably gonna hide in the the yellow jacket hive. Yowie. Oh no, what are they doing? Oh, they're alive. I just saw big lightning. So I wonder how loud it's gonna be. Oh no. There's just constantaneous flashing over this way. It's crazy. Like, oh, what? Yo. What is this? I don't know what this is, but yeah. I just saw a huge bolt. The amount of lightning coming from, I can see it in the daytime, which isn't something I see often. It's crazy. And I'm seeing all this. This might be one of our best thunderstorm days. Oh my gosh. Yo. Over that way is where all the lightning is. And that's headed this way. So like, oh wow. It's just constant thunder. I just saw a huge bolt. Like a really big lightning strike. Yeah, this is, I don't know, dangerous. Once it starts getting to the point where it's like mate, then I'm gonna go up, or I'm gonna go in and film. I saw a huge bolt that way. Yo. This is now special weather statement and severe thunderstorm warning, I think. So that's crazy. And it's starting to get windy. The wind is here. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it's starting to get windy. It's probably 15 miles per hour, maybe 20 at this point. But it just started. Oh no. Up there it is. There it is. Oh wow, oh my. I saw some ginormous lightning. I think there's a shelf cloud in the distance over there. Yo, that was huge. Yeah, that's unsettling. Wow. Oh my, I better have got that on camera. Holy, I better have got that. I swear if I didn't. I really hope I caught that. Okay, I think it's time to go in now. It's getting dangerous. Never mind, the wind is arriving, so I kind of want to see that. You know, I just missed the best lightning strike. Which is annoying. But you know. Okay, yeah, let's go. It's getting a little dangerous out here now. Yeah, that ain't good. This one's making so much lightning. What's that? Oh no. I want to see the radar, but I'm afraid I'm gonna miss a huge lightning strike. I almost just missed a huge, like as I stopped recording. The shelf cloud or whatever that is going to give us some high winds here in a moment. So I'm gonna wait for that. Oh no. Oh no. I swear I just saw the bolt right there through that tree. Oh my. I think all the storms are gone for tonight, so that's going to be the end of the video. If you like these videos, then you should probably subscribe because I'm going to have more storm videos soon.